So we have all these articles here. These were all generated with AI using this little tool called Journalist.cafe. But you want to automate your headings, right? Your H2s, right? Which are these ones, and your H3s, right? You don't want to have all the effort of writing them manually, right? You want to make sure that you click a button and it automatically generates all this content for you with internal images, internal links, external links, H2s, H3s, of course, in a way that makes sense. And all this automatically done for you with a table of contents, featured image, and all that. So you can, of course, write these manually, this title manually, the H1s, the H2s, which are all these ones, right? You can do all this manually. Or you can automate this with AI in, of course, a way that makes sense. Because, of course, this one or these three are only here, these H3s are only here because of this H2, right? Trend to niche directory sites, right? And it talks, all these are subheadings for this one. So these ones make sense according to this one. And this one makes sense according to all these ones, right? All these H2s, which makes sense according to the title of the article, right? Now, how you automate this is pretty straightforward. Again, go to Journalist.cafe. I'll leave a link for this in the description. Click on Generate Articles. There's the simple mode, titles mode. You want to click on the preset mode, simple mode. I guess I'll cover this in another video. Just click on preset mode, create new preset. Let's call it my name. And then on the generation mode, this is where you can select how you want journalists to generate articles for you, right? You want to give it a description and have it generate articles based on the description. You want to give it specific titles and have it generate articles based on those titles. Or do you want to make it keyword based and give it some keywords and have it generate articles based on these keywords? Let's do specific titles, and let's do how to drive a car, right? Pretty straightforward. And then content, you can do English or any other one of these 150 plus languages, Portuguese, Spanish, Greek, whatever you want. You can change the creativity levels. You can change the tone of voice. Let's close all these two for now. And then you finally reach the structure, right? You can have it auto-generate, which as it is right now, or you can set them up manually, right? And if you do wish to set them up manually, so not automatically, anything you put in here, right? You can add more if you'd like. It's going to build the article around the addings you just gave it. So our article, the base is going to be about how to drive a car. So let's test this out. How not to have a driving incident, right? And let's do, should you wear a seat belt, right? Let's delete this. Let's delete this as well, right? So now these might not make much sense now, but Journalist is going to customize the article around these two that we just put in here. If you put something like how to pop a balloon, might not make much sense, but you get the point, right? So let's try this out right now. You can automate the internal linking. So any articles you generate, they're automatically going to have internal links between each other, right? This one's going to link to this one, this one's going to link to this one, in, of course, a way that makes sense, right? The anchor text, which is the little text that you can click to go from one website or one web page to another, is going to make sense in the context of the article, in the context of the phrase, right? You can automate, of course, your external linking. So whether you're linking out to Wikipedia, to an affiliate site, to Amazon, to an authoritative source, you can automate that as well. Just put them here, and when you generate the articles, it's going to have them ready for you, already done automatically for you. Images, let's just do this one. You can set a featured image. You can do in-article images. Let's enable all these ones. Actually, let's disable all these ones. You can then try it out for yourself if you like. And then formatting, we can enable or disable both keywords. Then we click create preset, right? After this, what you do is pretty straightforward. Just click on generate articles again. Preset mode, select the preset mode you just created. This one was named my name. And then just generate one article. And what's going to happen now is Journalist is going to generate articles based on the preset we just created, right? So it's in English. It has that title that we just gave it as the context that should show up here. It has the tone we just chose. It has the bolded keywords we didn't do. If we had set internal links, external links, all that would show here. And in this case, we didn't set that up. So that's why it's not showing here. And let's just wait for a second here to view the article we just generated with the headings we just chose, because we didn't have it set up to generate them automatically. We could have done that just by typing or toggling in that setting that I just showed you before. But I wanted to show you that Journalist adapts if you'd like to change or use or input your own headings into the mix. So let's see how this did. Okay, so there we have it. There's no featured image, there's no in-article images because we just gave it a super, super simple thing. And because we only gave it 2 headings, or an H1 and an H3, this is a very, very short article, of course, right? So how to not have a driving incident, should you wear a seatbelt, and then of course it talks about all that. So making it manual maybe isn't the best solution for you, but we do give you that option if you want, right? I do recommend you do it automatically, and then you can just, of course, tweak it as you want it, but there's this option, right? And this is just not proof, but the effort you would have to put in to automatically write all these H1, H2s, and H3s to have a proper article, just like the ones that I showed before, it's going to take a lot of time, right? So why not just have it automatically generate for you? And of course, Journalist does it in a way that makes sense. All these ones make perfect sense. And have Journalists do this. Have Journalists have your featured image, have it have your external, internal links, in-article images, H3s, H2s. And then if you want to change something up, either post WordPress as a draft form and then edit all these headings, or just copy all this and post it to WordPress by copy and pasting it. If you want to go a step further, you can just go here to integrations, connect it to WordPress, and then go to Autoblogs and create a new Autoblog. What this does, I have a video solely on this. Essentially, you have your website. It's going to automatically generate content to your website and automatically publish it to your website, right? Pretty powerful, pretty straightforward. That's the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.